everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're looking at a brand new brand. So that is right, today guys, we are looking at a brand new brand. They literally just launched on November the 6th, so a few days ago, not long ago at all. And I saw this brand on Instagram, and I first saw them from a girl named Jen. She goes by the name Beaudiction. I'll have her right here on Instagram, and she had them on her stories, and I saw them and I was blown away immediately. So I was just like, oh my god, I have to get some of their stuff whenever it comes out. So it came out, and now I have a few of their things in my possession right here that I do want to do a first impressions, a review on these products right here, because the thing that got me the most excited was the packaging. The packaging was like top notch. It was so cute. It reminds me of like a ColourPop situation. The palettes were not highly expensive. They didn't like break the bank or anything. The packaging is there. It's very cute. It's pretty. It's just, the aesthetic is good. So I'm going to show you those, but if you would like to see the tutorial that we're going to do with these and the review, then keep on watching. So here are the products that I did pick up here, and this company is called Mavie. It's M-A-V-I-E. I believe it's Mavie. And then the website is called callmemavie.com, I do believe. But this is what I did pick up. I got three things right here, and the first thing I picked up, each palette that they have out right now is a Take Me To theme, and they have LA, Paris, Hong Kong, Stockholm, like they have all kinds of like take me to these kinds of places, Tokyo. They have a ton, and it's so cute. Here are the two that I got. Firstly, I got the Take Me to Paris one, and it looks like this. So if you can see that right here, it does have this beautiful light pink background, and it has the landscape of Paris as well. And then when you open it up, oh, and then here's actually the information. Yeah, callmemavie.com right here, and it is cruelty free, so that is dope. That's great. And then here is what it looks like when you open it up. It's so freaking adorable, you guys. Here is what it looks like. If you can see that right here, it's so amazing. Each one is so cute. Like just the theme of them, and the entire packaging is all the way around. It doesn't like stop on the outside. It goes all the way around to the inside, which I really do like. They're just so cute. I think the color story in this is beautiful. And then the next one that I got is the Take Me to Los Angeles palette. This is what it looks like on the front. So if you can see here, it's got the LA sunset and the not coastline, but kind of like the buildings. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's got the Hollywood sign right up here. It's so pretty. And then opening this one up, it looks like this. So it's got a lot more of your warm tones in this one. It's got more of like an orange, yellow. It's got some browns in here, so definitely more neutral, and that's one reason why I got this palette. I wanted to get one that was a little more fun, and then I also wanted to get one that I could use for everyday wear. And these ones are so pretty. I love every single one of these shades. Now, I want to be very transparent. I have swatched these on myself. I haven't used them on the eye yet, but I have swatched it. But we are going to swatch just a few just to get like an idea of what we're working with. But foreshadowing, these swatch are really good. And then the last thing I picked up is this cute little blush, and it says "Do It For You." Each one has like a little happiness quote on it, and it has little ice creams. And then when you open it up, it's this really adorable little peach toned blush. It's just so cute, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with this packaging. Like I said before, you guys, the packaging is what drew me into it. I will have the information for Call Me Mavie's website down below, so if you see anything that I have here, or if you want to search and shop for yourself, you can do that with the link in the description. But guys, let's go ahead, jump right into it. I'm going to be using this palette today, the Los Angeles one, but I do want to swatch a little bit from both of them. First one here, let's go ahead. This is the Paris palette. Let's go into, I don't know how to say this name right here because my French is actually not that good, my pronunciation. So we're going to go into this shade right here. Here is that first one. Look at that. These ones, they're not playing around, you guys. Here is that macaroon shade. Oh my god, that one When I use this palette, this is going to be the one that I use 100%. These are so freaking pretty. And then here is that matte shade. And even the matte is not bad, you guys. Like, I'm so freaking shocked. And these palettes were $23 each, I believe. And then this blush, I think, was $12. I'll double check. The blushes are $14 and the palettes were $23. So, not too far off. For this one, let's take La La Land and Suit and Tie, Limo Service, and let's do Red Carpet, this really pretty one in the middle here. So I've got 4 shades on this one as well. I didn't wash my hand in between, but I did kind of like rub it off. Here is this first one. Look at that. Oh my god. It's so freaking pigmented. I'm freaking blown away. And here's that nice orange. That one's stunning as well. You guys, I'm so impressed with this so far. I'm just so impressed with the quality and how cute these are. Let's go ahead and jump into a look. Let's get going. Alrighty, so I've got you zoomed in here. So first things first, I have already primed my eyelids. I used the Bad Habit primer again. I'm really liking that one so far. So the more I like it, the more I use it. We're going to go into this LA palette right here, and we are going to go ahead and crack into it. I don't know what I want to do. Duh. I really think I may want to use... this one right here is called Tinseltown, and it looks really pretty. One thing I wish this palette had in it is a really, really deep dark brown shade, and it doesn't have. It has this one, but that one's not too dark. Let me see if this one does. We can make it work. Well, I mean, we're still going to make it work, obviously. So let's firstly go ahead and go into what I actually may end up doing. I'm actually just going to combine the two. I'm going to use both of them. This is very off script. I'm not even scripted, but you know, this is very, I wasn't planning on doing this. I'm actually going to go into Trench Coat right here on the Paris palette. I'm going to go into that, and we're going to pick that up and lay this down all over the lid and in the crease. First impression, it's going on pretty nicely. I'm not getting that like stupid ripple that I get sometimes with shadows. I'm liking it so far. It's not being super hard to blend. I am having to go back and pick up a little more each time, which is fine with me, and that part doesn't bother me at all. But right now it's blending out really nicely. It is a very light color, so you may not be able to see it as well right now. But all in all, this one's actually blending out really nice. I'm not mad at it at all. I like it. Next, I'm going to go into the LA palette, and we're going to go into Incoming Flight right here. And I'm going to deepen up the crease with this shade right here. And we're going to take that into the crease and a little bit further down than that first shade. It's not doing too bad. I like it. I'm actually going to go back in with the same brush and just wipe it off. I'm going to go back into that Trench Coat shade, that first shade we did, and then just blend everything out just a little bit more. Alrighty, so we're going to leave it like that. I like that right now. So next we're going to go into this shade right here. Again, I'm not going to say it because I'm not going to know how to say it. This one, we're going to go into that, and we're going to use that to deepen up the outer part of the eye. And I'm going to use a Morphe M433 for that. And we're going to take that and we're going to put it on the outer part right here. And then also blend it into the crease just a little bit. Alrighty. And that's easy enough, just like that. I'm really missing a dark brown. There's not one in either of these palettes. So I'm actually going to go into the LA palette and take Suit and Tie right here. This really pretty shiny, like almost black, kind of like slate gray color, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Well, I don't know if that really did anything, but we're just going to leave it like that. I like the shades, but I'm just missing that dark brown. Like these ones are very, very light brown, so I'm not really having like a shade to put on the outer corner, but I like what this looks like. I like the brown that's going on right now on the lid. But now I'm just going to go into, I think I'm going to do Tinseltown right here. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. Patrick, the lid. The lid. And now I'm taking my packing brush right here, and I'm also going to be using a little bit of the Smashbox Primer Water, like I do pretty much every video. And I'm going to go into the Tinseltown shade. Ooh, I picked up a lot. That's a good thing. I picked up a lot on the brush, and we're going to go right on the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. Now, I don't know how it's going to be for fallout, but I will let you know when I'm done. But this is gorgeous. Okay, so these are probably some of the best like pearl shimmer shades that I've used in quite a while. They picked up so nicely on the brush and they went on like a dream, and there's no fallout, or like very, very minimal fallout. Like, it's ridiculous how nice these shimmer kind of like pearl shades are, metallics if you will. These are awesome. So for the lower lash line, I want to go into this shade right here called Red Carpet. We're going to go into that one, and we're also going to mix a little bit of the Suit and Tie shade with it, and then go on the lower lash line. Just like that, super simple. So now I want to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and line. Then I'm going to use my It Superhero Mascara right here, and then I'm going to do a coat on the top and bottom lashes, and then we'll put on some falsies. Alright, and then the falsies I'm using today are the Lotus Lashes. Again, I know I used these last video, but I really like them. These are the Lotus Lashes in the style 117. You can see that right there, and then here are what they look like when opened. Really, really pretty. I'm liking these a whole lot, and we're going to go ahead and pop these on, and then I will be right back. Alright, you guys, I am back. Yes. That didn't work. I'm back, and I went ahead and did my other eye off camera. I did my liner, lashes, and all of that good stuff. For lips, I did go ahead and do that. For lips, I did use the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick today in the shade Famous. This one has become one of my favorites. I'm obsessed with this lipstick. I love it so, so much. I'm really excited. These palettes, I think they're good. I think the shimmer shades are really, really good. I think they are some of the best that I've used in a very, very long time. I think they're wonderful. I wish I had a really dark brown. I may have just picked the two palettes that didn't have a dark brown. The other ones may have dark brown in them. I just missed that dark brown to really smoke it out, but I did end up using this black in the LA palette right here, and that did end up helping a good amount, just to kind of make it a bit darker, a bit more sultry if you will. But I'm really, really loving this look. I love these lashes. These are, again, the Lotus Lashes, and I think this palette's really good. For the price and for it being a brand new company, I think you can't go wrong. I think it's a really, really good brand. Obviously, there's always room to grow. I think they're great. One thing I will say is that this shade right here, this one, and this one up here, Incoming Flight, I did like these two, but they are quite similar, so I'm not entirely sure if it really translated really well on the eye. That might have been my fault in general, because I still wanted to use these palettes. I didn't want to go and just get another palette to use a dark brown. You know, I wanted to really use these two and do what I could with these two palettes. And then I noticed whenever I was putting this Incoming Flight shade over the other one, it was making it a bit muddy and it wasn't blending out as well. So that may have been just my fault. I don't know what was going on. But then I put that gold Tinseltown shade right here over the lid, and it basically just covered it up. It was fine after that. But yes, I really do think that these are worth the money, especially for being a new brand. I think that it's just so, so good. I did not use this blush. I'll use it in another video, but it is really, really cute. I am very excited to give it a shot. Just look how cute it is. It's really, really cute. I'm excited. But yes, you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.